Hi beauties, it's Violetta and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you the capsule that I've created just using 10 items, accessories and shoes. Everything is included in this 10 count. It's going to be like perfect for carry on traveling. So if you're going somewhere, that would be like ideal for you. So it's just 10 pieces and it's transitional capsule, so it's perfect for spring, like warm days coming, but at the same time I've included a sweater, so in case if it gets like chilly, you can put it, you can like throw it or you could wear it as well. So it's just 10 items and I will be able to style like so many, at least 15 different outfits. So let's start. First two items, while you're not surprised, it's white button, not button down, white t-shirt and black t-shirts. You need them. This is the basic of basics of basics. Then a pair of good blue, mid blue
denim. This one is from Levi's. It's more or less new purchase, and the exact model is 50190s. I already mentioned it, I already showed it so many times on my channel. I love this pair. It's wide leg, it's flattering, it's stylish, it looks amazing with like most of the shoes, and also like it pairs well with most of the tops as well. So like very versatile pair of denim. So yeah, that, and then a pair of black wide leg pants. These weren't from Uniqlo. I love them. They're also like not quite new purchase, but honestly they have it throughout the whole year, season from season, just like different variation of it. I'm wearing actually the taupey color, and that's the same one in black, so I have them in two colors at least. I ordered the white and I set it back, like it wasn't the color for me. It's not see-through, so if you're looking to get like white pants, they're actually pretty good. I just couldn't really see myself wearing white pants with two kids, that's all. Then in my capsule is midi silk skirt in this champagne color. Black or champagne color would work great. I have it in champagne, that's why I've included black white leg. But if you have the other way around, that would work as well. Okay, and then just one sweater because it's transitional, so meaning it's kind of like warm spring, but at the same time you don't know how the evening gonna look like. So that's why I've included one cashmere sweater, and that's like not sweater, sorry, crew neck, because it has a wider collar, so it's more versatile. I'll be able to style it with both t-shirt, and then like a little bit will be peeking out over here, but then it looks good on itself as well. And this cashmere is extremely soft and like so nice to skin. And then as a top layer, I've included this trench coat from H&M. I just got it. It's also new. I haven't ironed it yet because I just want to share it with you as soon as possible, so you can, like, if you need a trench coat, you can actually purchase it, because I'm sure it's going to be like sold out very fast. On Canadian website it's like $79.99, or on the US side is $59.99. So like the price is extremely great. And then for the accessories, one pair of shoes, white sneakers. So as I said, it's going to be perfect for like travel capsule, carry-on capsule, because let's say you're going somewhere and you don't really need to put any extra shoes. You can just wear these and then it would go with all of these items. And for bags, these two, the black, and this is my new bag in taupey color. I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna link it. It's so cute. It holds the form, like it's empty right now, but it looks amazing. Yeah, so, and it was like, I don't know, $40 on Canadian side. Yeah, so that's like a small carry-on transitional capsule that I'm sure you're gonna love, and I'm gonna show ways how to style. If you're more on the dressy side, maybe you would need to add like either black palms or some kind of evening shoe. I do not have it in this capsule because I don't really need it. Like I know even if I go somewhere like a travel carry-on, I wouldn't need. I wouldn't actually wear any like heels or any like dressy shoes because I'm a walker, so I want to walk a lot. Maybe another pair of sneakers just in case I would put. It would be more for like convenience, not to add looks. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.